So hey guys, how are you all? Hope you all are absolutely fine. So today we are going to unbox this guy right here. So let's begin.
Who are we? We are Hisense.
So guys, here's the new Hisense 32-inch TV. Yes guys, it is launched 2 days before only and I've got it for you all guys. So guys, on the box it has written all the specific keys you get and all. For example, 20-watt speakers, DTS, sound and Bluetooth, one touch access and all and all. So let's open the box. So let's check what is in this box and what's the specifications of this TV. So let's open the seal. This box has arrived in morning. So guys, in the box we get two plastic stands. As you can see, there are two plastic stands over here. Then we got the wall mount in the separate box, very nicely organized over here by Hisense. Then we get the remote to triple S sales and the instruction manual and all. And guys, here you can see the remote. You got all the hotkeys down over here of YouTube, Netflix and Google Play. And the Google Assistant button over here means you can operate the TV by this button also, means you will get a Google Assistant. And you get a cable. So guys, you can see the back. You get 3 stars power saving and the Ethernet cable down over here and the ports, two USB ports, one headphone jack, one AV in, one HDMI and one more HDMI, and your digital audio port and antenna port. This is all you get over here. In short, you get all the port behind this TV. So guys, this is the specifications over here. The model number of this TV is 32AC56E. It's an Android TV and you will get a Google Assistant in it. The natural color ensure you get Chromecast inbuilt, Google Play, 20 watts powerful sound, DTS sound, Bluetooth. And this TV is a new arrival in this competitions of this TV. So guys, as you can see, the TV is not that fat also. As much we can understand that. And guys, welcome Hisense to India. As you all know, Hisense is a big company to make TVs and all. And it has launched its TV in India. And it is made in India product. So, Jai Hind. And we will get to see more TVs of Hisense in the future in India. So let's see how much TV we get to see in future. For now, we will have get many 4 types of TVs available on Amazon, Flipkart and many more size. So let's on the TV now. So TV is started and you can see the intro as Hisense an Android TV. I like this part. And guys, as you all know, it has color noise reduction and natural color enhancer. Means you get a nice one picture quality, and it has an inbuilt Wi-Fi also. And the clarity is really, it's awesome. I do not accept it from the 32-inch TV, but believe me guys, it's worthy. It's worthy. Because of the phone and recording, it is not clear, but believe me, it is really, really worthy. So guys, here you can see the picture quality. On the phone you cannot see that, but believe me, it is very good. I have less this sound here, but this sound is also very nice. 33, and this is the farmhouse. This is my the picture quality is really very good. Because I have come to village and I am quarantined over here. As you can see, 11th day over here, into 11th or 10th day, and guys. In the name of 20-watt speakers, it has really massive speakers over there, and the bass of the speaker is really good. Now I have decreased the sound, and see now. Guys, Hisense has done a very good job. As you cannot see the video quality in this phone recording, but believe me, it is worth it TV. You can buy it by closing your eyes. Really. The lagging problem is not there. If you connect your Ethernet cable with that, you will not get at all the lagging problem. Believe me. And the sound, it has DTS sound. And I do not accept that much sound Hisense has given at 20 watt. Believe me guys, it's a worth it TV. So it's enough for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you are new here, go and subscribe that and press the bell icon to get my videos instantly when I upload them. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Yes guys, she is my mom right over there.